Yeah, it's a great day for hockey cards, and today we're going to take another look at 2020-2021 SB Authentic. I hear you already. You've opened too much of that product, and you're right. I think we've had pretty good luck with it so far, and it's come down in price quite a bit from where it launched, so, well, we're going to open more. We've got Laffy on the box. Of course, what you're looking for in these is the autographed Future Watch cards. That's really the big insert out of here. Not much of the other inserts really. If you're looking for dollar value, go for much, sell for much. There's Igor Shesterkin, Eric Stahl, and we've got a retro of Dougie Hamilton, Zach Parise, and Sean Monahan. Pulling a patch auto would be super nice. We pulled one already. There's Petey, Patrice Bergeron. We've got a SP Top Performers of Wayne Gretzky, a decoy, Thomas Hertl, and Andrei Vasilevsky. Martin Jones, and a retro of Martin Jones. Oh, we've got a Future Icons of Philip Broberg and Kyler Yamamoto. I haven't pulled one of these yet. Numbered to 199. Very nice. Two of the Oilers' young stars. Connor Hellebuck and Dustin Brown. Ryan Zingle, Ryan Getzlaff. Something stuck to him? No. We got a True Leaders, Alex Pietrangelo. There's John Tavares and Roman Josi. Packs on this box not fully cooperating here. Looks like we got a lot of cards in here. Dougie Hamilton, Anthony Mantha. We've got a True Leader of Claude Giroux, Darcy Kemper, and Cal Palmieri. So you're supposed to get 5 cards per pack, but I have noticed with this here is there are some packs where you get less and some packs where you get more. It's kind of all over the place. There we've got Yanni Gourde, Brendan Gallagher, and we've got our first Future Watch autograph, and it's a good one. It's Bowen Byram. Very nice. Then we got Jiggity Jake Guentzel and Tyson Barrie. So there's usually 2 autographs in each box, one of which is usually a Future Watch. Brad Marchand, Mika Zibanejad. We've got a Pekka Rinne, Celebrated Moments, PLD, and Shea Theodore. Kyle Connor, Nick Suzuki. We've got a Spectrum FX with Brady Tkachuk, Gino Malkin, and Matt Barzal. Mark Giordano, Brent Burns, a limited red of Anders Lee, Quinn Hughes, and Brady Tkachuk. Got a Spectrum and his base card. Andrei Svechnikov, Joe Pavelski. We've got a Future Watch Spectrum of Joel Kiviranta. So these aren't generally worth as much as the auto versions, but they do go for something. Josh Bailey and Colton Parayko. Johnny Whitehall, Victor Olofsson, a limited red of Brendan Gallagher, Jonathan Hooby Dooby Dooberdo, and Ryan Suter. Mark Stone, Travis Konechny. We've got a celebrated moments. The Stamer raising the cup. The most celebrated moment. Patrick Kane and Nico Hischier. Cale Makar. We've got Victor Hedman. Then we've got Victor Hedman's retro. Mark Scheifele and Brock Besser. Getting down near the bottom here. So I guess there's 5 packs left. Mitch Marner. Teuvo Teravainen. In a Future Watch auto of Chase Prisky. 163 of 999. Matt Murray and Miro Heiskanen. So that might be the last auto of the box. Maybe not. You're going to have to stick with me to find out. John Carlson, Bo Horvat, a retro of Mitch Marner, Anze Kopitar, and Nikita Kucherov. Matt Zuccarello, the Nuge, a true leader of Bo Horvat. Philip Grubauer and Rasmus Dahlin. Down to the final 2 packs. Jack Eichel, Nick Schmaltz. We've got a Travis Konechny retro. Braden Point and JVR. Final pack. Anders Lee, Keith Yandel, a limited red of Andrei Svechnikov, Artemi Panarin, and Tyler Seguin. So there you have it. 2020-2021 SP Authentic Hockey. Let me know what you think of the break in the comments below. If you like this content, don't forget to like and subscribe. I don't beg you guys too much for that, but if you've watched a couple videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.